what a hard tumble for Kyle Larson.
Oh, man. And that was after a really hard hit with that front nose to the inside wall.
It just won't stop. But watch this thing. Once it starts flipping, it's like a feather. It just won't stop.
Wicked sidewinder roll.
It's amazing.
Kyle is now with Vince Welch.
And Kyle chatting with Ricky Stenhouse a little bit. From the time Byron hit you in the side of the door until you came to a rest, what's going through your mind, Kyle?
Well, initially I just thought I was going to hit the inside wall pretty hard, and then right before I got to it, I felt it lift, and I was just hoping it would set down, and then it just started tumbling. That was probably the longest flip I've ever had. Still haven't really seen a replay of it, but I just didn't know if it ever stopped.
That's a ride, buddy. It just won't stop.